Prince Joseph and welcome to Pangea Cuisines. Today we're going to be making beef tacos, delicious beef tacos. So stay tuned. Let me introduce the recipes that we have today. We have these nice beef, garlic, bouillon, and Worcester sauce. To my right we have cilantro, jalapenos, tomatoes, and chopped onions. So we're going to use that for our guacamole. We have our 3 avocados that we're going to use in our guacamole. So for the guacamole, we have the cilantro, we have our jalapenos, we have tomatoes. Our famous tortillas are sitting here, and this is what we'll be using for our tacos. So they're going to be soft tacos. Let's get on with prepping. Now we have our beef diced up. Let's add in seasoning that I mixed up. Add in a spoon of garlic as well. A Worcestershire sauce. We're not going to add salt to this. I'll add in a bit of oil. I'll place it in the refrigerator. I would like to start with a little bit of salt on the bottom. Okay, now we have our guacamole, we have the tortillas, we have garnish. We would proceed to fry our beef. So let me get the beef out of the refrigerator and we'll... Okay, voila, there's our beef. So we'll set this aside until we're ready, and we're gonna go on to make our beef. Okay, good. So now we can go ahead and toss our meat on. Now we'll pop in our tortillas in the oven. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. If you can see it, this is delicious. This is going to be very, very, very tasty. Our beef is ready. Guacamole is ready. We have our side garnish, and the tortillas are ready. Just gonna mold our first one. So this is what we have today, and I will thank you for staying with me. So this is our Latin American flavor. Thank you very much for being on my channel, Pangaea Cuisine, where I cook for the love of it and for the love of you. Please follow me on all my platforms, and also subscribe, like me, tell a friend about me. Thank you for coming, and I don't leave you without telling you how much I love you. Take care. Love you. And it's Prince Joseph. Bye-bye.